This is my lab report. It's plant for science. I have 4 ivy plants. I don't know if if the seeds are processed or not. I feeding 1 water because we already know that water helps plants grow. I'm feeding 1 vinegar. I think that one might die. I'm feeding 1 soy milk because people say it's good for the body, and I'm feeding 1 coffee, and I think that will stimulate it. I have labeled them so I know what I'm going to feed each one each day. And I have 4 parsley plants that when they grow, I will be doing those. The ivy is store-bought. The parsley, when I grow it, it shall be done with the same sort of thing so I can see what the difference will be.
Now.
We have noticed that this is day 4 of my plant project. We have noticed that the vinegar plant is wilted, which I thought would happen. And the coffee plant has white on its leaves, and I think that might be a further stage of growth. And something else I've noticed is when we feed the milk plant, about 1/8 of the milk comes out of the bottom. This is day 7 of my science plant project. As you remember, we have 4 ivy plants. This is the control plant with water. It seems to be doing okay, as you already know, because water helps grow plants. Okay, this is the plant we were feeding vinegar. As we thought, it's either dead or pickled. Dead or pickled. Oh, dead. This is the plant we were feeding soy milk. It doesn't have much growth, but it's still doing okay. I think what's happening is it's rejecting the milk by getting the nutrients from the soy. And this is the coffee plant. As I thought that it stimulated the plant, it's doing the best. There's a little change in color on the leaves. And it has the most growth so far. This is day 10 of my science lab report. I've taken notice to the different growths in the plants. The coffee plant is growing taller, but the milk and the water plant are growing out more. The vinegar plant is still dead-ish. So this one seems to be growing fine. And this one's okay. And obviously this one will be okay because it's the water plant. The vinegar is dripping. That was making milk. Okay. So because most of them are expelling the what I'm feeding them, I think I'm just going to feed them on video days because they always seem very moist. Okay, this is day 13 of my plant project. 2 more days to go. So, I don't know if you could, I noticed something with this, and I don't know if you could see it, but this plant grew mold, and it really stinks. Not much has changed with the other plants. Okay, this is day 15 of the plant project, the last day. I have 4 ivy plants, as you remember, and my hypothesis was correct because the milk plant I said would go either way, and it grew mold. I said that this one would die because vinegar pickles things. That was correct. And then we obviously know the water plant will grow well. And then the coffee plant, because coffee is a stimulant, made it grow faster.